Let's add an advanced item to Minecraft. Hello, today we will be adding a custom item to Minecraft. So first off, we create a new package in the item package called custom. In that, we create a new Minecraft class item. And let's title it amulet item. This will create a new class that extends the item class. Now, let's override the use method. This method is called whenever you right-click the item. And let's insert a check that the world is not client. Because if the world is on the client, you will not be able to do anything like add status effects to the player, things like that. And then we do user.add status effect, new status effect instance, status effects dot resistance. This will give us resistance for 10 seconds. Keep in mind that this is that this duration is in ticks, that there's 20 ticks in a second. There. This is a simple item that adds a status effect when it's right-clicked. Now let's implement it. So let's make a public static item. Amulet equals register item, amulet, new amulet item, new fabric item settings dot group, item group dot miscellaneous. Let's also make it fireproof. Now let's copy over the JSON files and the texture. So to add the texture, I am just going to paste it in the item folder, in the textures folder. The texture will look like this. Keep in mind, you can get it from the GitHub repository that is linked in the description below. Now, let's copy the tin ingot and rename it to amulet. And just amulet. Now, let's go into en_us.json, item.tutorialmod.amulet, amulet, this will add the translation key. And now let's run it and see if it works. So now let's see if it works. Miscellaneous, scroll all the way down. Go all the way down, you see the amulet. What does it do? Let's right click. It gives us resistance for 10 seconds.